As you can see, I'm actually outdoors today, just trying something different, and I think I'm taking a bit of a risk with this one because I'm trying to hotspot this off of 4Gs. But Steve, you're coming through nice and clear at the moment, so if hopefully it'll remain that way through the episode. And just testing some other things too. So the M1 MacBook that I got that we've talked about before has studio microphones built in, or so Apple says. So I'm keen to kind of test how good they are, and I'm kind of maybe in a way stressing it a little bit because I'm putting it in an environment where there is a lot of noise around. So you may hear a tram go by, like right now, for instance, or cars or people, or thankfully there's no wind, so I don't have to have the windsock out for any reason. But it'll be an interesting experiment, to say the least, and just to break things up and do something different, so I can show that I can do a setup anywhere kind of thing.
You're looking good, Ben. You're sounding great, and it's good to see you outdoors after so many months indoors. So.
Well, that's an added benefit. We're allowed to go outside these days.